Yes, hello guys, welcome to our lesson 7. Let's click here, double click, advanced properties, post alignment, it's okay, handrail, change again this, pipe standard, 1.5, again, pipe standard, 1.5, posts, pipe standard, 1.5, post connection, plate with bolts, handrail, end of handrail, return 75 800 return 75 800 and middle top middle handrail. Let's take a look. I think it's 2, the number of mid handrails. 300, 400, 400, distance from bottom, from bottom 300, 280, 270. It's almost done. Close here and take a look. Okay. Double click, display type. Double click, display type. Let's take a look in our project. It's almost. I think it's almost. We have just 3 posts, not 4 posts. Select advanced properties, posts. Post layout. Max distance between posts. Three. Save and isometric view. Let's turn off these layers to take a look better. And isolate and object isolation. What do you think? 300. Let's take a look in the end posts. Posts layout. Posts handrail. End of handrail. Radius. It's okay. Handrail layout. Top, middle, post layout. 300. 300. Take a look in our project. I think it's very good. In our next video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments. In our next video, we are going to mirror. Okay, we are going to mirror. Mirror this and first mirror these two handrails and finally mirror to the other side. Okay? See you.